possession, it's LeBron James. LBJ coming off the triple-double. Lonzo actually had a triple-double too the other night. Good feed to Davis. All too easy.
Of making baskets.
Ball had a career-high 7 threes and 27 points the other night. Another lob to AD from LeBron. That combo works again. Longest break other than the All-Star break of the year. Here's Brandon. He attacks. He gets bottled up by the two bigs of the Lakers. They are all over Ingram, and then they foul him. For shots are in the paint. You know where he's going to do it. Spinning. Davis kicking. Out to DG for three.
In the Drew League, which is a summer league in L.A.
Anthony Davis. The ball was behind his head. He grabbed it and slammed it in one motion with one hand.
Spectacular plays have a way of shutting announcers up. By Mr. Anthony Davis. That was nice.
Now it's Kuzma looking to fire it from the free throw line. Oh, AD doing work underneath. Two-hand flush off the Kuzma miss.
I mean, made no doubt about it from the field.
It's a 9-0 Pelicans run. LeBron gets rejected again, but AD counted, and the foul on the offensive follow.
LeBron goes to the rim, doesn't get the whistle. He looks around, he says, we're scored.
Did not score. If you joined us late in the last game, 18 scoreless minutes, first time in 4 years he hadn't scored as AD drills the mid-range. Top 10 in the NBA offensive rebounds for Derek Favors. Launched for three, AD. The New Orleans team.
And a very efficient night for him.
Another three for AD, you bet. Yes, sir. He's got it, Anthony Davis. Tonight, 2 for 6 from beyond the arc, 7 for 12 overall. Oh, Anthony Davis. You look up and here's AD running the floor and throwing it down.
But again, that's just bad communications defensively by the Pellies. It wasn't like they were in a fast break opportunity. It was early offense, but nobody talking, and as a result,
Pelicans have won 4 games in a row. Quick hands, good hands by Danny Green.
that was helping the helper.
4 on 2, AD again on the break from LeBron.
And that was over the outstretched arms of Brandon Ingram.
I was going to say, down he goes after throwing down the deuce.
Another look at that play where Danny, look at that play. Read where the bounce pass was going to Favors, intercepted, and that leads to this.
With 6 to shoot, under a minute to go in the game. Anthony Davis, corner of the key. AD with 46. Again.